Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos at my Mac Forex YouTube channel, and I welcome all of you at my this channel because I always try my best for all of you to bring the very best forex indicators or any kind of best forex strategy. So basically in this video is the special I have designed 2 or 3 indicators for Euro USD trading, like a manual trading. For there are, because there are many people which are do trade in Euro USD, and I have received the messages on my mobile also, and people ask uh, teach something specially for the Euro USD. So in this video you can see the Euro USD. I have attached this indicator with Euro USD. So in this video I will teach you about the support and resistance levels and trend like a trend line. For example, you can see the overall trend is down from, you can see from this point, like a 2 August, from 2 August to 20 August, trend is going down, and little bit market is going up, like a, because market always play like this, okay, like this, up down, up down, up down. Now the, I think as per my prediction, market will go again down, because overall the trend is still bearish trend, like a strong bearish trend already, because market is not broken the this lane. If market broke this lane, then maybe trend will change from there. So I will teach you, I will tell you how you can trade like a manually. For example, I have attached 2 or 3 best indicators for Euro USD manual trading. So first of all, you can see with this indicator, you can see already this is the resistance level, support and resistance level, and market is now there, and already you received the signal, also sell signal. So this indicator already given you the signal of sell. Okay, in this indicator also you can see, basically with cross check, with 3 or 4 indicator cross checking, you can decide what is the exact entry point in Euro USD pair. So at this point, this was a support and resistance level, and you can see market is there. This is the, you can see the one small candle already in selling because of this level and the trend line also. Okay, now I check with indicator 3. Now you can see in indicator 3 also the red dot, it's mean market will go down. You can see market will go down. Expected price is 1735. If this area broken, then expected price is 1663, 1.1663. You can see in the history, when any red dot appear, basically red dot give you the proper like a support and resistance levels. This is the resistance level, you can see, and this is also okay. Now I will give you the, okay, you can see here also, here is the also selling position. This indicator is giving you the sell signal. Okay, so what we have found with all cross check, okay, so we have found the sell signal at this point. So you can sell from there, take profit, you can set at this point. For example, now market is 1.1793, you can sell here and take profit. You can set like a 1.1736, and stop loss, minimum stop loss like a 1.1818, you can set at the above like a this above point. Okay, so if worst scenario, for example, we have checked, we have seen, we have done comparison with 4 best indicators, and we have found the sell entry. Okay, so if market will go in your favor, as per your prediction, you will get good profit. But worst scenario, if market will go the opposite side, you can set the stop loss here like a 4-time take profit and 1-time stop loss. Your stop loss like points are only 27 and your take profit points are 40. So it's very good like a 1-time stop loss, 2-time profit. If market will go in favor, you will get 40 pip profit, and if worst scenario market if go in like against position, you can set the stop loss at this point. So with this strategy Euro USD, with these indicators, you can found the exact entry and exit point. With this indicator you can see the trend line. Zoom in, for example, you can see, if I zoom in, you can see the strong bearish trend is since 2 or 3 months. Market is still going down. Okay, with this indicator you can check the support and resistance levels. With this indicator you can also confirm the verified support and resistance levels for the best entry point. So it's very good for trading. If you want this indicator, you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number. I already given in every video description. You can contact with me. So I will guide you and I will teach you about the strategy. So at this point you can see the area of the selling point. You can see the gray arrow when occurred at the point, at this point. So this is the exact selling point, and at this point you can check the like you can check the trend line, you can check the what is the exact bearish and bullish trend. So very easily you can find the entry point for your USD. So thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have learned something, and if you want any kind of indicator, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. And must I request you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel also for further best videos. You can see I have uploaded many kind of best videos about the Euro USD and different kind of like a strategy. You can see at my channel. You can contact with me and I will design for you the best strategy as per your capital, and I will train you about the proper risk management and money management if you will join my forex like a forex team. You can see I am the VIP IPO of XM also. You can join with me. I have different kind of promotions also. If you join, you can avail the different kind of promotions. Thank you very much. Goodbye.